I think the most important part of the analytics are the traffic sources, because the traffic sources shows you where you're actually getting views from. So when I'm in the analytics menu, I go down and click traffic sources, and now you can see where all of my traffic is coming from by source. So if I scroll down here, this is where I'm getting the analytical value. If you see YouTube search, these are free views. YouTube suggested video, those are free views. External website, free. Unknown direct, usually free. Most all of these views down here except YouTube advertising are free. But if you'll notice, all of these have went a lot higher because of YouTube advertising. So here's what I want to do. I want to isolate all of the other sources without YouTube advertising. So what I've done, I clicked on this to select all, then I unselected YouTube advertising. So what I can see here is how my traffic is growing just organically, and that's really powerful. If you'll notice now, I just spiked up close to 2,000 views in one day organically. And what you want is this slow, steady march to higher organic traffic, because the organic traffic is where nearly all of the value comes from. Now, as absurd as it sounds, these 50,000 views from YouTube ads are nearly useless in terms of actual conversions. Sometimes I get lucky and pull a subscriber, but most of the time I get absolutely nothing. The people who are watching ads are not in the mood to engage with me. But the YouTube search is where all kinds of good things happen. And since most YouTube channels don't run YouTube ads, all you have to do is run YouTube ads, and YouTube will rank your video high enough to get found in search and suggested video. So when you click on YouTube search, then you get keywords across your entire channel. Now this is very limiting, especially for long tail keywords. You'll notice I have very few individual views on any one keyword. Now my video gaming experiment with Wolfenstein on Xbox One and Destiny Xbox One tested some of these YouTube video ranking strategies to the limit. So those don't actually do much for me. But these ones, the Facebook ads and Facebook marketing searches, are huge. These are where I'm getting conversions from. But the problem is you can only see up to 25 results in the search tab at a time. So the actual search tab itself can tell you what you're doing right on the largest scale on your channel, but you're not going to find out much more detail than the top 25 terms. Now, your top 25 terms are important. For me, noticing that Facebook marketing is one of my top 25 terms gives me a clear signal that I should be doing more Facebook marketing related videos instead of all Facebook ads related videos. And I'll show you how powerful using these analytics are right now. After seeing this in my Facebook marketing search results and going into more detail on that, I actually changed the name on my Facebook course to Facebook Marketing and Ads instead of Facebook Ads and Marketing, because I'm getting more search results. More people are looking for things about Facebook marketing compared to Facebook ads. And now that's even with me not putting much effort into marketing. So that's how powerful these YouTube search results are. But another powerful thing is to go into the YouTube suggested video. This gives you an idea of what videos are sending you traffic. Now, most of the time, if you have a lot of videos, when you highlight the video here, you will see your own videos. But what's really cool is when you see other people's videos sending you traffic. This video is from Jeff Usner, and this video in the last 28 days sent 101 views to my channel, and the average view was 948. So that means when you click on this video, if you search for the video, then what happens, you will show up in the shared results. So I will just copy this entire term, put it over here and start it with an I. Now look, watch what happens when I click on this. I'll pause the video. Look what happens up here. Oh, there's a video by Jerry Banfield and another one by Jerry Banfield right next to the video. So out of the 6 videos on the side, YouTube suggesting 2 of my videos to watch. Now that's really sweet because That's giving me free traffic off of someone else's audience. Absolutely ideal. Same thing on this video. Mary Smith's worked really hard to get herself an audience, and then when someone's watching their video, they're going over and watching my videos. Eli has an excellent large YouTube channel and the same thing. So I'm pulling views off of his channel and then off of all these other channels are sending me YouTube views. And then what's really sweet is to get to know these videos and figure out what your audience tends to like. So my audience tends to like things about Facebook ad strategies, of course, but they also like steps to Facebook success. They're watching videos, well, that's my video. They're watching videos about how to get free Twitter followers. Also, they're watching videos about Teespring. That's very valuable for me to know. Because if I know what else my audience is watching, then I can make those things for them. If they're wondering if Facebook advertising works at all, that's good for me to know because then I can make a same kind of video. Does Facebook advertising work? I mean, literally the same title if I wanted to. So that's powerful. Between the traffic sources, YouTube search, and YouTube suggested video, you can get a ton of data that I'm going to show you how to dive deeper into. One last thing on this section is external website. Now, after I've clicked on that, what do you notice? Google search is up there on the top. Those are people putting things in Google search. Things like Facebook ads tutorial in 2014. When someone puts that in, Google is showing 2 of my YouTube videos in the top 3 results. That's sweet. When people are searching in Google, that is pretty much an ideal method to get found. So this traffic stat, when you go back here and do external website and you see Google search up there, that is an ideal method to get views. Now let's take a look. That's 3,000 views, 19,000 minutes. Well, that's on all the views. That's in 28 days. So Google is sending over 100 people to my YouTube videos free every single day. If I had to pay for those in search, that'd cost between $1 to $10 per click, and I probably wouldn't get 4 minutes watched per video. So that's the power of putting all these things into practice, is getting Google to give you free traffic. Those Google searches to my videos, I'll click on them to see what more detail Google gives. It gives country. Over 1,000 of those from the US. Those are very valuable search traffic and results that I'm getting, and they're coming from all over the world. 118 different countries found my YouTube videos in search. And I'm sharing that it's not about me. You can set all of these things up for yourself in this course. So that's how powerful this is, getting to know these analytics and seeing, okay, what am I really getting out of all these things I'm doing on my YouTube channel. So traffic sources is where you find your return on investment on your YouTube channel. And what I'm going to do now is dive deeper into the analytics with you to help you find more Easter eggs in your YouTube analytics. Thank you for watching this. I'm honored you've spent time on my YouTube channel, and I hope this has been helpful.